This video shows how to install Yanhua R7F701407 lock fastening interface board. 1. Push all PCB lock fastening on the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the instrument according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Find the correct positioning holes of D1, D2, D3 on the instrument. 3. Check that the D1 and D2 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1 and D2 positioning holes of the instrument, and ensure that the PCB lock buckle is completely aligned. 4. Finger down pressure interface board. Push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. 5. Confirm again that the interface board D1, D2, D3 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1, D2, D3 positioning holes of the instrument. Yanhua MQB interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.